Hi, boys and girls. So Mia's grandma asked me to do a lesson on these pages just so that they can make sure that they're doing it correctly. So I thought we should do this number, which is supposed to be for today. And I may have not included it in your packet, or I may have given you the wrong numbers. So I'm going to make sure I get the right packet to you. So today's number is number 28. And it is... actually, today's number is 29. Yesterday was 28, but we're going to use 28 as our example. So the very first thing we do is we need to determine whether it is even or odd. So I know that it ends in an 8, and so I'm going to say that is an even number. So you circle even. And then down here where it has the circle with 28 in it, we're going to build 28 with 20 and 8. Now, some people like to do it more complicated, and they like to come up with other numbers, some great numbers that would equal that, and that is fine too as well. But this is showing place value, which is the value of, you first count out your tens and then you add your ones. So 20 plus 8 is 2 tens and 8 ones. All right, so same thing here. We're going to say 2 tens and 8 ones. Okay. And an expanded form, that would be 20 plus 8 equals 28. Now, down here, we're going to color 8 ones. So I would color in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to do 2 towers because I have 2 groups of 10. And normally I would be coloring these in with crayons. It's a lot more fun and more colorful, but for just this purpose of teaching you with this camera, I'm just going to use my pencil. All right, so 28. Now over here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to take 10 less. So if I take 10 away from 28, I have 18. If I say 10 more than 28, I have 38. And here, 1 less would be 27, and 1 more would be 29. All right, that's how you complete that form. And then, of course, on the back side, that is just some simple addition and tracing your numbers, and then vertical addition again. All right, so that's a quick lesson on how we do place value with the number 28.